Magandang araw mga ka-adventure. Ngayong araw, samahan niyo naman ako ngayon mag-wit. Tara, humingwit tayo.
Ayun, ang laki!
Ay!
Ang laki! Nice!
Anong isda to?
Sir, oh! Ang lama, oh!
Bidyoan mo! Bidyoan mo! What is this?
What kind of fish is it?
I don't know.
No, you don't know. I think it's a fish or eel.
Eel is no different from
Oops. Ano, Bossman? Gusto nila makaroni? Kukuha ka muna ng maliit tapos saka malaki, no? Ayun, oh. Kung malaki masyado yung ano natin. You know? Galing, oh.
Hindi na bawal dito, na?
Hindi ba? Alam na, jogging tayo eh. Yun! 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 Ah! Ay! Shit! Yun! Ah!
Ayun, ang laki!
Ay!
Ang laki! Nice!
Anong isda to?
Sir, oh! Ang lama, oh!
Bidyoan mo! Bidyoan mo!
What is it?
What is this?
Fish is it?
I don't know. Eel is no different from eel. Ah,
Oh wow! Can you eat it? Oh wow! Are you gonna keep it or throw it back?
we're going to keep it.
We'll bake it. We'll eat it. Ano? Ay, isda nga.
Isda. Nice, 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 nice. Tagal mo, pre.
Kuha mo picture.
Sige, kuha na.
Brother.
Yun o, kunin mo sir.
Kasi ako eh.
Oh, that was the first catch. Wow.
Yeah.
Trumpet fish.
Yeah, because of the nose. It's long.
Oh, now I can recognize the long nose. Oh, I can see the gill.
Galing ah.
Trumpet fish. Ganda.
Is that an
Meron
adult
na yan, sir.
one or is that a
Meron na yan.
full-grown trumpet fish?
Lain mo.
Saan ipahin natin?
Andun. Day 1 sir.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Is it a baby one or is it a full-grown trumpet
No,
fish?
not yet. It's like a juvenile one.
Oh, wow. So it grows bigger. Oh, wow. Look at it. Is it changing color?
Changing color yan.
It's changing color.
Tagal mo na sir. Tagal mo nga.
Oh my gosh, it got dark. Isn't it?
Ano ba to? Ano yan?
Doon sa taas yan. Iipan mo lang.
Malagkit oh.
Oo. Tanggalin mo lang yung ano niya, nakisabit. Hindi, tanggalin mo lang yung sabit.
Kaya nga.
Hawakan mo muna yung tenga.
Ang tenga.
Yan.
This is my first time seeing a fish being caught here. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's like this. I don't know.
Yun oh.
Yun, no?
Saan natin lalagay ito? Wala naman tayong...
Lagayan.
Hawakan lang. Hawakan mo lang.
Uy, meron na siyang hawakan.
This my trophy.
Okay. Top one.
Anong klaseng isda yan?
Trumpet fish.
Ha?
Isdang trompeta.
Oh.
Parang tarotot. Caught by Ian. Guys, key!
Yan.
Paano mo lulutuin yan? Ngayon?